Hello, I'm Bill Keegan. I'm the founder and president of Heart 9/11. This is a nonprofit comprised of building trade members of New York, of police officers from New York, and firefighters from New York City that bonded together following the 9/11 attacks at the World Trade Center. For 9 months, we worked together to bring New York City back. And it's a real tribute to union building trades, police and fire departments, that we were able to accomplish that. Now, Heart 9/11 takes those same skilled people and we take them forward to future disasters, natural disasters all over this hemisphere, where people are suffering much like we were suffering following 9/11. And what we do is we tell them that they should remain hopeful. Don't despair, because help is on the way, and we are that help. And we will help rebuild your homes and allow you to rebuild your families.
Hello, I am John Delgado. I am one of the volunteers that travels when disaster hits with Heart 9/11. If you want to learn more about us, you want to be part of the team that goes out there, takes down a tree from top of someone's house, or puts a tarp on someone's roof, or rebuilds their roof, or even rebuilds their entire house, please reach out to heart911.org.